am drawing a ship. I am drawing a ship. This is a ship. Now I am drawing the flag of the ship. This is the flag of the ship. And see, these are the windows of the ship. These are the windows of the ship. Ship sails in water. Ship sails in water. Captain sails the ship. We can together sit in a ship. Captain sails the ship. See, he is a captain. Captain sails the ship. Captain sails the ship. I am going to draw an aeroplane. I am drawing an aeroplane. I am drawing the tail of the aeroplane. This is the tail of the aeroplane. These are the wings of the aeroplane. These are the wings of the aeroplane. I am drawing the windows of the aeroplane. These are the windows of the aeroplane. Pilot flies the aeroplane. Pilot sits in the cockpit and flies the aeroplane. Pilot flies the aeroplane. Aeroplane flies in the sky. Aeroplane flies in the sky.